Ever turned on your laptop or monitor and suddenly half the screen is black? Don't panic in this video. I'll show you step by step how to fix the half screen black issue, whether you're on a laptop, PC monitor, or even a TV. So grab a cup of coffee and let's fix your screen in just a few minutes. Show a screen with half side black and the host reacting shocked, then quick flash text. Fix half screen black issue. Easy tutorial. Step 1. Restart and display settings check. Step 1. Restart your device. It may sound basic, but many display bugs vanish after a quick restart. Once your system is back on, right-click anywhere on your desktop and choose Display Settings. Scroll down and check your display resolution. Make sure it's set to recommended. Also verify that your system detects only one display, unless you're using multiple monitors. If your screen still looks uneven, move on to the next step. Step 2. Update or roll back graphics driver. Step 2. Fix your graphics driver. Outdated or corrupted drivers are one of the biggest causes of display problems. Right-click on the Start button, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. Now right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If the half-screen issue started after an update, go back and choose Roll Back Driver to restore the older one. After updating or rolling back, restart your system to see if the black half disappears. Step 3. Check cable connections. Step 3. If you're using a desktop monitor or an external display, this part is crucial. Power off both your computer and monitor. Unplug your HDMI, VGA, or DisplayPort cable, and inspect both ends for dust or bent pins. Gently clean the ports, then plug them back in securely. Try using a different cable or a different port on your GPU if you have one. Believe it or not, a loose or damaged cable causes nearly half of all black screen complaints. If your image flickers when you move the cable, it's time to replace it. Step 4. Test display panel. Step 4. Now, let's test your display panel to find out if the problem is in your screen or inside your graphics card. Connect your laptop to an external monitor or TV using an HDMI cable. If the external screen looks perfectly normal, bright, full image, no black side, then your graphics card and drivers are fine. The issue is inside your laptop display panel or its internal ribbon cable. But if the same black half appears on both screens, then the problem is definitely graphics related. Try reinstalling your graphics driver or running Windows Update to fix any system-level errors. Also, slightly move your laptop lid. If the black section flickers or disappears when you adjust it, that means your internal display cable is loose. This cable connects the motherboard to the LCD, a quick repair that usually takes a technician just 10 to 15 minutes. Laptop connects to TV via HDMI external display, full screen label screen fault detected. Then same issue on both labeled GPU/driver fault. Host points at cable on diagram. If not, it's likely the LCD panel needs replacement. Contact a repair center. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which step worked for you.